There's my Maxima. Alright, it's your boy Stay Drop checking in right now. Currently, I'm dropping this motor in. I say dropping it in. Matter of fact, I'm dropping it out. So basically, I'm about to take you through this quick little 1-2. Getting this bitch right. It's the Maxima car from the auction. This is where the impact area at. So all that shit getting fixed, this shit getting cut off, put a new leg in, shit like that. From there, you gonna see how that shit going. And it's coming with the new conversion too, like, oh, stop playing crazy. Then we're doing a quick little brake service over here. Get a straight motion over here, you get it. Drilling slotted rotors and shit like that. You know how we bumming. Then we got this little blue thing out there. Complete all the way around type shit. Whoop. So we're putting in work right now. Let's get these bitches right. Okay. Gang, niggas got the motor almost out. Look, you see how the subframe mangled right there? Shit, no good, no bueno here. So we're currently in the process of getting that shit out of here. Shit, on top of fuck shit. Have to cut the rebar on top of shit, like, oh. Surely no joke right there.
He behind 3 months though. Prior to us not being there, that had nothing to do with the other 90 days that passed away. And when this kid asked me for bread conversation be for kids that go buy fucking, what he asked you to buy? Some shit that was 5 to 8 B's. Like I know Breeze is done with you, like you're next. So I know I